All right, let's get right into it. If you've got that little knot of anxiety in your stomach when you think about AI and your job, trust me, you are not alone. But today, we're going to flip that script. We're going from anxiety to agency, and we're going to do it by talking about something pretty amazing, the AI agent. This is the tech that's not just changing the game, it's creating a whole new kind of leader.
Okay, let's just start with this because it totally reframes the whole conversation. This quote, man, it just cuts through all the noise, you know? The whole humans versus AI thing, it's the wrong way to look at it. The real battle, the one that's going to define who wins and who loses in the job market, is between people who get AI and people who don't. It's not about being replaced, it's about being outpaced.
So, here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at the real AI challenge. Then we'll meet your AI agent. After that, we'll dig into the AI-ready skill set, see what work looks like in this new agentic age, and finally, figure out your next move.
All right, section 1, the real AI challenge. And let me just say, this isn't some far-off futuristic thing. It is happening right now, and it's happening way faster than most people realize. I mean, just look at these numbers. The speed of this thing it's just staggering. We're talking about almost 4 out of 5 companies already using AI every single day. And check this out. LinkedIn saw a 600% annual jump in people adding AI skills to their profiles. People are scrambling to catch up. The race is already on, and it is in full swing.
So what's the engine behind all this change? Well, we're taking a huge leap beyond those simple chatbots you've probably used. We're entering the era of AI agents. So let's meet your new coworker. And spoiler alert, they are incredibly efficient.
So what exactly is an AI agent? The keyword here, the one you really need to remember, is autonomous. Think about it this way. A normal tool, like a calculator, just sits there until you tell it exactly what to do. An agent, on the other hand, it's different. It can perceive what's going on, it can reason, and it can take action on its own to hit a goal you set for it. It's less of an assistant and more of a proactive partner.
Okay, let's make this real. Imagine this for a second. It's a Wednesday morning. You walk into your office, or, your home office, at 8:30. But instead of a mountain of work, your AI agent has already gone through your overnight emails and drafted replies. It's already rescheduled your morning to fit in an urgent client call. It's already given you a summary of what that call is about and suggested solutions. It's even built a new client presentation based on breaking news. By 9 a.m., you've basically done a full day's worth of admin and prep work. That's the power we're talking about here. It's a total game changer.
And look, this isn't just some fantasy for giant corporations with massive budgets. This is happening now, and you can get in on it. This is a real-world example of a simple agent you can build with no-code tools. It's just a logical flow, right? You get info from a form, you pop it into a Google Sheet, an AI model writes a custom email, Gmail sends it out, and then the sheet gets updated to say sent. Simple, powerful. This stuff is becoming accessible to everyone.
Okay, so we've established these agents are incredibly powerful. But that brings up the big question, right? What does this mean for us? What skills do we need to actually work with them? Let's dive into the AI-ready skill set, because it's all about becoming the human your AI agent needs to lead it.
Now, the skills you need for this new world, they're a little different. It's not just about being a prompt engineering wizard, though that helps. It's about thinking bigger. It's about integrating these tools into your actual daily work. It's about genuine collaboration, not just copying and pasting. And here's a key one, understanding some foundational programming logic. Now, you don't have to become a pro coder, but knowing the basics of how things like Python or JavaScript work helps you understand how the AI thinks. That way, you can give it much, much better direction.
And this shift in skills, it's completely changing how we even get a job in the first place. You know the old 1- or 2-page PDF resume? Yeah, that's on its way out. Now it's about design digital CVs, even video resumes. Those first-round phone screens, they're being replaced by AI-powered video interviews. And proving you have the skills, it's less about your certificates and more about passing real-time challenges. The whole hiring game is becoming automated and totally based on what you can do right now.
So all these changes in skills and hiring, they aren't just happening for fun. They're being driven by huge economic forces. If you really want to understand just how big this agentic age is, well, you got to follow the data. And you got to follow the money.
And believe me, the market is screaming right now. Just look at these base salaries at a company like Meta. And I'm saying base. This is before any stock or bonuses. We're talking $440,000 for an AI research engineer. $480,000 for a software engineer working in AI. These numbers are just, wow. This is a massive signal telling us exactly where the value is being created in the economy today.
And it's not just about individual salaries either. The entire market for AI agents is absolutely exploding. I mean, look at this projection. It's expected to rocket from about $5 billion today to, wait for it, $47 billion by 2030. That's not just growth, that's a tectonic shift. We are watching a brand new industry being born right before our eyes.
And the foundation for all this growth, it's already here. If you want to see the future, look at what developers are doing today. A massive 82% are using ChatGPT. Almost half are using GitHub Copilot. These tools are the building blocks for the more advanced agents that are coming, like Google's coding agent Jules. When you see this level of adoption in the tech world, you know it's only a matter of time before it goes completely mainstream.
Okay, so we've laid it all out, we've seen the challenge, we've met the agent, we've pinpointed the skills, and we've followed the money. All of that was leading to this one final and most important section. What is your next move? It's time to take the lead.
And this really brings us to what might be the golden rule for this entire new age. I'm serious. If you remember one thing, make it this. Do not just copy and paste from an AI. That's a dead end. Anyone can do that. The real value, your superpower, is using the AI to enhance your own unique human skills, your creativity, your strategy, your critical thinking. The AI isn't a replacement for your brain, it's an amplifier for it.
So that's where we are. The technology is here, the tools are ready to go. You could have an AI agent ready to start today. The only question left really is a question for you. Are you ready to lead it? Thanks for tuning in.